The following is Spring 2010 West LA College Math Department Final Exam for Math 110 Pre-Algebra and Math 112 Pre-Algebra. Okay, now before I start, let us read the direction first, which will be similar to future department final for Math 110 and for Math 112. Directions: do not write on this exam. Use the scratch paper provided. Translate your answers to the Scantron form for all problems number 1 to number 25. Now, good luck. You have 1 hour 15 minutes to complete this exam, and be sure to turn in all scratch paper along with this exam. Now, we will have multiple choice question. Choose the one alternative that best completes the statement or answer the question. Number 1. Evaluate -19 minus -12. Because we subtract by negative number, let's change the sign first. -19 plus 12. Now we are adding different sign, right? So we look at the larger number. What is the sign? Is negative, and therefore we subtract the numbers. That's 7, right? Because we are adding different numbers, different sign, therefore the sign of the sum will follow the sign of the larger number, and the numbers will be subtract. Okay, from here you see the answer is B. Okay, that's for number 1. Let's see number 2. Number 2, simplify using order of operation. -2 plus 15 plus -9 times 4. If I follow order operation, I will need to multiply first, right? I multiply first, and therefore I get -2 plus 15 plus -36. Okay, and then from here, because we are adding, we have two additions next to each other, we will do it from left to right. That's one technique. You may be able to do it another way, the grouping technique, but you can also do it from left to right. And here it will be 13 plus -36. When we add different signs again, the sign of the sum follows the sign of the larger number, right? And then as for the numbers, you will subtract. Let me subtract that next door. That will be 23. So the final answer will be -23. In this case, the option will be option B. Okay, that's for number 2. Number 3. Number 3, we have 50 divided by -5 squared plus -6. That will be, I will do the exponent first, right? That will be 50 divided by 25 plus -6. And then from there, I will divide. I will get 2 plus -6. That is equals to -4. Right? From there we see the answer will be option C. That's for number 3. Number 4. Graph this on the number line 3/4. What is that on the number line? 3/4 means if you have one unit, 0 to 1, you divide it into 4 equal space, and then you take the third one. Okay, this will be 1/4 here. This is 2/4. Right? This is the one we want. This is the one we want. This is 3/4. So if we see the answers, which one match? This is from 0 to 4. You divide into 4 equal parts. You take the third one. That's 3. Okay, this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, right? For part B, it's 0 to 1. You divide into 4 equal parts, right? And then this is 1, 4, 2, 4, 3, 4, and 1. But they bubble the first one, which is 1, 4. That's not the one we want. Part C is from 0 to 1 again, which is good start. You divide into 4 equal parts, means this is 1, 4, 2, 4, 3, 4. Oh, the one they bubble is this one, right? So in the answer will be part C. Okay, now part D, you see this 0 to 4, they divide into 4 equal parts, then there will be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, like that. So that's not D. What you want is part C. Lastly, for this video, for this first part, find the median for the set of numbers number 5. The number of steaks served at the local restaurant during the week are 10, 8, 24, 40, 10, 45, 48. Now, if we need the median, the median means the middle number. But before you get the middle data, you need to sort them first, put them in order from smallest to largest. So let me put them in order: 8, 10, 10, and then 24, and then 40, 45, 48. Now, then the median will be the number in the middle. Okay, the number in the middle. What is the number that is right in the middle of this data? You can see the middle data is 24, right? But that's only after you sort it, though, after you put them in order. Okay, then the median will be 24, and if we look at the answer is C. Okay, now this is from Spring 2010 Math Department Final, the first part from number 1 to number 5. The answers are as the following: 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5.